In this video, I want to highlight 8 essential factors for effective management of remote teams that could help employers accomplish their desired goals without compromising on work quality. Today, you will learn how to make your remote teams highly productive and efficient. The information presented in this video will help you improve the performance of your remote workers and enable you to resume your operations round the clock despite lockdown and uncertainty due to COVID-19 outbreak. I came to know about remote team management when my company had to close its office due to COVID-19 contagion and asked all employees to work from home. My CEO asked me to write my company's work from home policy and devise SOPs. While researching the relevant information, I found these 8 tips that could help employers make their remote teams highly productive and outperform their competitors in today's highly dynamic business environment. Recently, I studied some of the most useful and widely employed tips to make remote teams highly efficient and more productive. These guidelines have been devised after years of experience of managing remote teams and summarize the lessons learned by highly experienced HR managers specialized in managing remote teams. Some of the challenges employers might face while managing remote teams are: 1. Lack of consistency. 2. Limited control over staff activities. 3. Partial interaction with employees. 4. Communication barriers. 5. Lack of essential equipment and facilities. Entrepreneurs can effectively manage their remote teams by 1. Making strategic plans. 2. Organizing daily stand-up meetings. 3. Effectively communicating. 4. Implementing SOPs. 5. Utilizing advanced technology. 6. Balancing flexibility and consistency. 7. Focusing on outcomes. 8. Meeting remote teams' expectations. Thus, in today's video, you learned how to effectively manage remote teams without compromising on work quality in today's highly competitive business environment. If you liked the facts presented in this video and want to get similar information in future, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Moreover, to discover more about the latest outsourcing patterns, subscribe to our newsletter. It's very insightful and absolutely free.